I want to draw a cool caricature with a sketchbook. I think there are many people who say so. Sketchbook has a wide variety of brushes, and I think it's the perfect app for sketching people. In this video, I will explain in detail how to trace and sketch a reference image. First, let's insert the image to be used as a reference this time. Where do I insert the image? If you think so, let's refer to this image. This woman I inserted this time is a Colombian woman. She is an old photo, but at first, I was surprised at her beauty. She was the wife of a Colombian old man, and she died of a heart attack while she was young. This time, I was asked to make this memorable photo an illustration. In the image as it is, the color is too dark and it is difficult to sketch. Therefore, let's reduce the opacity of the layer on which the image is pasted. Tap the image layer in the Layer menu on the right to see a more detailed menu. Let's adjust the opacity scroll bar in it. Originally 100%, lowering it to 50% or less. The opacity of the layer will be reduced. Then, place the less transparent layer at the bottom of the menu. In addition, create a new layer on top of it and draw a line art on it. This way you can easily trace the image. Try using Sketchbook's Predictive Stroke when you draw line art. The Predictive Stroke feature is in the menu bar above in this image. And there is a maximum level of 5 for it. If you use level 5, the line will be straighter than you expected, so please use this function carefully. By the way, I used the Predictive Stroke at levels from 1 to 3. Even at level 3, I felt that this function was applied too much depending on the location. So let's adjust the level while drawing. If you are using a tablet or smartphone, enlarge the screen while drawing. If you are confident that you can draw a line art with a long stroke, I recommend drawing on a normal screen. However, if you are not confident in the line art, try to enlarge the screen. Compared to other digital tools, the Sketchbook app found it difficult to draw straight lines and curves. There are many brush tools for painting colors, but I get the impression that the number of brushes for drawing line art is small. Therefore, it will be easier to draw more beautiful lines if you draw by enlarging the screen or using the Predictive Stroke function. There are some precautions when you enlarge the screen. When you zoom in and out on the screen with your finger, the feel of your finger is sensed and the lines and the colors are intentionally drawn. I also made a few mistakes because of it, so please be careful. I feel bothering to erase the failed line with an eraser. If so, please tap the back button on the menu bar above. That way, you can easily erase the lines and colors that you made a mistake or failed. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is interesting, please push a like button. Also, if you ask questions in the comment section, it will be answered as soon as possible. Depending on the content, I may post new videos for answering your doubts and comments. So please subscribe to Animembo and set notifications for this. There are many people who watch the videos and don't register. So I will be very happy if you help me to grow. See you again in the next video.